Hello, this video is a room tour of the Intercontinental Medellin. It is part of the IHG Hotel Group and it is one of their luxurious brands. My room is on the top floor, the 7th, where the club lounge is also located. So now let's take a look at my suite. The hotel opened in 1970, but the good news is that they have started refurbishing all of the guest rooms since March, with the project set to be completed by the end of the year. Next, let's tour around the hotel environment. As a Diamond member, breakfast and club lounge access are included.